Hello students, welcome to the Shuraj Process YouTube channel. This video is especially for the students of Standard 10th. In your board paper, there are few marks reserved for objective type of questions. Means where you have to select just the one answer out of the 4 options given to you. From A, B, C, D, you have to select the right option. We have already uploaded 5 videos. Yes, we have already uploaded 5 videos of science objectives. You can check the link of those videos in the description box. Now in this video, we are going to check few objectives of maths paper. Like to tell you one thing, that these questions are 100% scoring questions. Yes, so you can score 100% marks in this objective type of question. Means select the right option from the given 4 options. It's very easy to solve this. So now in this video, we are going to solve only 10 questions of mathematics. So to understand these questions properly, watch this video till end. And at the end of this video, I am going to tell you one important thing. You can say a very helpful tip regarding these questions. So please do watch this video till end. These questions are from the preparatory papers from the different school. Okay, so now let's start to solve these questions. The first question is the degree of the polynomial p of x, x square minus 3x plus 4x to the power of 3 minus 6. Now this is quite easy. So what is the given polynomial here? The polynomial in terms of x is x square minus 3x plus 4x cube minus 6. So here the degree of this polynomial is 3. What is the degree of the polynomial? You have to just check these powers of these variables. And the highest power, means we can say the highest exponent, is the degree of that given polynomial. It's so simple. It's so easy. 1 mark in your pocket. So let's move to the second question. In second question, 2 linear equations are given. Okay. First equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. And we have to write the nature of the graph. Means these linear equations, they represent the lines. And we know that if we check the coefficient of the variables and the relation among them, it helps us to know the nature of the lines. How? The first equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. We know that general form of the equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So our first equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So in this case, a1 is 1, b1 is 2, and c1 is minus 4. Second equation, a2 is 2, b2 is 4, and c2 is minus 12. Now what we have to do? Compare. a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 is 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 means 2 ones are 2 twos are. Means even this is 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2 minus 4 upon minus 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. This is 1 upon 3. Now let's compare this. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. This is not equal to c1 upon c2. So the relation among these coefficients, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, how they are related? This tells us the nature of the lines. If A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, lines are intersecting. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, lines are coincident. And here, in this case, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but it is not equal to C1 upon C2. So, these lines are parallel lines. So, in this case, lines are parallel. So, if you just know the basic things, you can easily answer these questions. Yes. And as I said, one very important tip I am going to give at the end of this video. So now let's move to the next question. Next question is quite simple. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Numbers are 12, 15 and 21. Divide this. Here, these three numbers we can commonly divide by 3. 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 7s are. Okay, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 7s are. Now, I would like to tell you one shortcut here. When you find that there is no common factor among these terms, straightway multiply this number and all these available numbers. Don't waste your time again in writing 4, then something like this, okay? Don't solve this till you get 1, 1. Not required. So here the LCM is 3 into 4 into 5 into 7. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7, 6 7s are 42 and 1 0. So this is our LCM. That's it. Now, next question. Here, the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta is calculated by using the formula. Now, here you can see the 4 options. You have to select the right formula to find the length of the arc whose angle of sector is theta. Now, here we have to find the correct formula to find the length of this arc. Okay, you know how we find the circumference? What is the formula to find circumference? It's 2 pi r. But here we consider the entire circle. Means we consider the 360 degrees here to find the circumference. But now out of 360 we are considering only theta. So theta upon 360 into 2 pi r will give us the length of this arc. Read the question properly. It's length of the arc and not the area of the sector. Because here students know they get confused. They look out for the formula for area of sector because that is there in their mind. So read the question properly. Here they have asked length of the arc. So it is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Let's move to the next question. Here the next question is, find the factors of 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here the equation is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this. We have to find the factors of this. So what we do? 2 into minus 6. Product is minus 12 and difference is plus 1. How to find this? It is clearly mentioned in one of our video. So here product is minus 12 and difference is 1. So our factors are plus 4 and minus 3. Means factors of minus 12. Plus 4 and minus 3. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. From here 2x is out, x plus 2, and from here minus 3 is out, again x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So these are our factors. x plus 2, 2x minus 3. Now, even here, I would like to give you one hint. Okay, just observe all the 4 options properly. What is our product? It's minus 6. Okay, and how we get this last term? When we multiply these two last numbers. Fine. When we multiply these two last numbers, we get this number. And here, only in option C, this is possible. In option A, last terms are plus 2, plus 3. So, if we multiply that, we get plus 6. In second option, it's minus 2, minus 3. When we multiply that, again we get plus 6. In third option, it's plus 2 and minus 3. Yes, we get minus 6. And in option D, it's 2 and 4. We get 8 there. It's impossible. So here, only by looking at the terms, okay, and if you are good enough at this factor addition, you can easily select the right option without solving. Wait for my important tip. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Sin A is 3 upon 5. Then find the value of cosec A. It's so simple. Sin A is 3 upon 5. Cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine, and that is nothing but 5 upon 3. Sum is done. And for this, all of you must be perfect in the basics of trigonometry. We have videos of all these concepts. Just go through our YouTube channel once. Now, let's move to the next question. Now, the next question is, the nth term of an AP is 5n minus 2. Then its fifth term is, okay, nth term is 5n minus 2. And which term we have to find? We have to find fifth term. Means our n is equal to 5. So 5 into 5 minus 2. 25 minus 2, that is 23. Answer is 23. Even this was very easy. Let's move to the next question. Now the next question is based on this figure. In the figure, BP and BQ are the tangents to this circle with center O. If angle OPQ is 20 degrees, then the measure of angle PBQ is. Here, this angle, okay, this angle is 20 degrees and we have to find measure of this angle. Okay, now here I will explain this sum in short. Now in this triangle OPQ, okay, in this triangle OPQ, OP is equal to OQ. So if this angle is 20 degrees, this is also 20 degrees because angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Now we have two angles of this one triangle. Fine. Here, in this triangle OPQ, angle P is 20, angle Q is 20 and angle O together makes total 180 degrees. So in this case, our angle O is 180 minus 20 plus 20, 40, and that is 140. Okay. Now here, this angle is 140. Now in this quadrilateral OPBQ, okay, sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. In this, these two angles are 90 degrees because radius makes 90 degrees with the tangent. Total is 360, fine. These two angles are 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90, 180 goes there. So here, angle O plus angle B is going to be 180. So angle O plus angle B is 180. So we know what is angle O, that is 140. So angle B is 180 minus 140, that is 40 degrees. So measure of angle B is 40 degrees. Let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, find the surface area of the sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeters and surface area. Surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. Here you have to be perfect in the formulas. So here surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Let's solve this. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 4 into 22 is 88 into 7. 7 is 56. 7 is 56 plus 5. 61 centimeters square is our answer. So if you're perfect in formulas, it's very easy to get the answer. Now the last question of this video and then one important tip. Now here the question is, find the value of tan 60 into cot 30. Tan 60 into cot 30. Okay. Tan 60 into cot 30. Tan 60 is root 3 into, we know cot is reciprocal of tan. What is tan 30? It's 1 upon root 3. So what is going to be cot 30? Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is the answer. So here we complete 10 sums, and now one important tip to solve the objectives. First interesting part of this objective is, no one is going to check by which method you have solved this. They are bothered only of the right answer. Okay, in case of objectives, yes, they only check which option you have selected, A, B, C or D. If you select the right option, you will get the full marks of that question. So the interesting part of this objective is, nobody bothers which method you are using to solve it. Second thing, there is no need to do paperwork for each and every sum. Try to solve maximum sums mentally. For example, we had that AP sum. Nth term is given by 5n minus 2, find 5th term. So no need to do paperwork for that. 5n, 5 into 5, 25 minus 2, 23. Take the option and get your marks. So like this, wherever it is possible, avoid the paperwork. This saves your time. And for this, you have to be perfect. There is no option for this. You have to be perfect in the basic concepts. Means what concept you are going to use exactly for that sum. If it is formula based sum, you have to select the correct formula, and second thing, you have to solve it perfectly. Means whatever it is there, multiplication, division, whatever is involved in that sum, you have to solve it properly. Means here you have to be perfect in the basic operations. That's it. So this 8 marks, yes, 8 marks are reserved in math subject for this objective. You can easily score this 8 marks utilizing the least time. Yes, these 8 sums are not even going to consume 8 minutes to solve this. They are very easy. So as I said, these objectives are the scoring part of your paper where you can score 100% marks. So hope this video was quite helpful to you. Apart from this, if you want any help from our channel, that is Vishuraj Classes, please feel free to drop your request in the comment box. We will definitely try to help you. And as usual, please do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel to get the regular updates of such interesting and useful videos. My dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.